Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the world of AI. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you AutoGPT, which is an autonomous GTP4 experiment. Now, AutoGPT is an experimental open source application that showcases the advanced capabilities of GPT-4 language model. Now, GPT-4 is the latest iteration of the generative pre-trained transformer, which is called GPT, series of language models developed by OpenAI. Now, AutoGPT is the groundbreaking example of how GPT-4 can be used to create autonomous systems capable of achieving any goals, and this is something that we're going to be showing you throughout this video. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually install it on your local desktop and how you can actually generate certain tasks and use it to autonomously create as well as achieve certain tasks that might help you in your day-to-day basis. Now with that thought, let's get right into the video. But if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. Like and comment anything that you want to see in the future, guys. I have a lot of content as a lot of different videos that provide you a lot of value, so I highly recommend that you go check out all these videos. It's gonna mean a lot, and I'm gonna keep on posting a lot of videos that will definitely help you out. Now if you haven't seen my previous AutoGPT autonomous AI video, I definitely recommend you do. In this video I show a demonstration as well as go more in depth on the analysis aspect of what the actual application does. Now at its core, AutoGPT is driven by the powerful language processing capabilities of GPT-4. Now the model is trained on a vast corpus of text data, and it allows it to understand as well as generate human-like languages, and that's something that we're going to be seeing in its features. It's internet access for searches and information gathering, and it basically sources the web to get all the intel as well as the data to formulate the tasks and objectives. Now, long-term, short-term memory management is something that one of the features that AutoGPT does. GPT-4 instances for text generation uses basically GPT-4 to actually create the generation. Now, the fourth feature is access to popular websites and platforms, which is correlated to feature number 1. And the file storage and summarization is with GPT 3.5. And basically, these are the key features that allows the system to be autonomous. Now in AutoGPT, it's used to chain with GPT-4 together. It creates a thought as well as uses the language models to create and achieve specific goals. Now these LLMs are trained on specific tasks such as image recognition or natural language understanding, and can be strung together in a sequence to perform more complex tasks. And overall, with the growth as well as the development of this application, we're going to be seeing a lot of AI as well as autonomous growth in the world of AI, and we're going to see different things as well as different innovative applications that could be added on to AutoGPT. So with that thought, guys, I'm going to be going on to the next step of the video where we actually go more in depth on actually installing it. So first things first, you guys need to have Python installed. Make sure you install it for your processor, the right processor. So you need to make sure you have Python. A second application that you will need is Visual Studio Code. So make sure you install it for whatever platform that you have. And lastly, you're going to need a Pinecone account. So please create that. It's completely free, and I'm going to be showing you more about it later on in the video. So what we got to do now is go into the installation. So what you want to do first is copy this. And what you want to do is open up CMD, which is your command prompt, and open it and run it as administrative. Once you have done that, you want to copy the link. And what it will do now is it's going to formulate and copy the Git link to your desktop. And what you can do now is click CD and type in AutoGPT. And now you're going to be in the folder of AutoGPT. Now this third step is copying and pasting this code, which I'll put in the description below, as well as the other links. And you basically put it here, and you basically install the files as well as the requirements for AutoGPT in this folder, in the desktop folder. And once this is complete, I'll be back with you guys. So on to the next step. Once the command prompt finishes, you will be back with the same scripted thing that you had at the start, and what you will have to do now is open up your editor. You can use command prompt, but I personally like using Visual Studio Code. And the next step is you want to rename this file. Actually, sorry, you need to actually open it up, open the folder up, run this actual application as its administrator, and that way you'll be able to work on it. Obviously, do this with your own precaution because sometimes data leaks could happen. So if you don't want to run it as administrator, you can run it as just simply open it up. So with that thought, you can rename this, and basically you want to take out template and click enter. And what you not need to do is go on to your API key. I'm going to leave this down in the description below, and you can get your free API key from OpenAI. So you want to create this key. Obviously you want to change it up and don't want to leak this, so please make sure you always, if you have your API key out, you hide it after, and you basically put your OpenAI key over here. And if now you go to Pinecone, and this is when I was talking about this is what you're gonna actually link your actual key with. And what you do is you go to the API keys and actually copy the link value over here, and you input it in your Pinecone app key over here. And what you need to do is input your region as well, so copy your environment and paste it over here. And that's basically a gist of what you do. And after, you just click save, and then you go into, I believe, scripts. And once you go to scripts, you go to main py and click the play button over here. And what this will do is actually start to create as well as start running the actual processor of the application. So what it is asking you is, welcome back, would you like to return to being entrepreneur./GPT? You can basically name it whatever you want, tell it, give it a role. I was playing around with it before, so I'm gonna just keep it going with what it is right now. But basically, I gave it a name of Entrepreneur GPT. I gave the role as an AI designed to autonomously develop and run businesses with the sole goal of increasing your net worth. And basically, there's three things that you give it: the objective, the role, and the goal. And these three things is gonna help you actually achieve and autonomously achieve your goal. So the goal I gave it was increased net worth, and you can basically give it different goals in which you can like help achieve the objective. And basically, I'm gonna say yes to continue. And what it will do now is it will start thinking by scanning the web to formulate my answers. And this is something that I explained in my more in-depth video of what AutoGPT is. So I highly recommend you subscribe, guys. I always provide the best content as well as the best videos. So definitely check this video out, and I'm gonna keep on posting more high detailed videos. Now it looks like my API key has reached its limit, so I don't think I'll be able to actually show you more on what the demo is, but I can give you a demo on the actual website on the GitHub. And basically this actual demo actually shows you some of the things that you can do. Obviously I don't have a paid APIs key, so it's not going to be able to formulate a lot of things, but in this demo it shows you that you have the certain goals that you want to achieve. And what it does, the system works on scaling as well as finding different tasks to answer your objective, and it does that by sourcing it through data sets as well as going on the web to do so. And we can see that over here as it continuously works to achieve its goal. And at the end, you can, I believe at the start the objective was as an AI designed to browse the web. Okay, no, sorry, not that. Oh yeah, to design to autonomously develop and run a business with a set goal of your net worth. And basically it gave it a goal to invent original out-of-the-box recipe to suit the current event, such as Easter, save the resulting recipe to a file, and shut down upon reaching its goal. And we can see that at the end that it was able to scale and find the answer as well as achieve the task at the end, and it was able to save it in a file and close down the system. And this is something that is very, very cool, guys. I highly recommend that you play around with it, and it's something that is continuously going to be worked upon as they grow their system. And that's such a gist of a fully autonomous AI system, guys. I hope you found this video interesting. If you want me to show you different things later on in the future, I will definitely do so. And that's basically it for today's video. So please subscribe, guys. Please like and comment down whatever you want to see in the future. With that thought, I'll see you guys next time, guys. Peace out, fellas.